How to set goals, smart techniques and visualization. Let's start with a question. Why do so many people set goals but never achieve them? Sometimes the reason is unrealistic expectations, and other times it's the lack of a concrete plan. To overcome these obstacles, there are proven techniques, the SMART method and visualization practice. Let's break them down in detail. 1. The SMART technique, what it is and how it works. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This methodology was introduced in 1981 by George T. Doran in his article, "There's a SMART way to write management's goals and objectives." Here's what each component means. Specific. A goal should be clear and well-defined. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," a better goal would be, "I want to open an online store and receive 100 orders within the first 3 months." Measurable. Success should be quantifiable. For example, increase Instagram followers by 1,000 in 2 months. Achievable. Goals should be realistic. Setting an impossible goal leads to frustration and discouragement. Relevant. Ensure the goal aligns with your long-term interests and values. Time-bound. A goal should have a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and helps prevent procrastination. Example of a SMART goal. If you want to start running, a vague goal like, "I want to run faster," isn't helpful. A SMART goal would be, "I will run 10 kilometers in 60 minutes within 3 months, training 4 times a week." 2. Visualization as a goal-achieving tool. Imagine you've already reached your goal. How do you feel? How has your life changed? Visualization is a powerful tool that connects your emotions to your aspirations, reinforcing motivation. Scientific research. Dr. Joe Dispenza, in his book Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, explains that visualization helps the brain rewire itself as if you've already achieved the outcome. This effect is linked to neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt based on experience. Practical application. Close your eyes and imagine what your life looks like after achieving your goal. Engage all your senses. What do you hear, smell, or feel? Repeat this exercise daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. Example of visualization. If your goal is to build a successful design career, picture your typical workday. A bright office, happy clients, your designs published in magazines. These vivid images help keep you on track. 3. Combining SMART and visualization. Now, for the exciting part. What happens when you merge SMART and visualization? A SMART goal makes your vision structured and clear, while visualization adds emotional intensity and belief in success. This combination engages both logic and emotion, driving you forward. Example of a combined approach. SMART goal. I will learn Japanese up to the N3 level within 1.5 years, studying for 2 hours daily and practicing with native speakers once a week. Visualization. Picture yourself in Tokyo, having fluent conversations with locals, reading a restaurant menu without Google Translate, and immersing yourself in Japanese culture. 4. Historical examples. Many great figures used these techniques long before SMART was formally established. Arnold Schwarzenegger. In his autobiography, he described how he visualized his bodybuilding victories long before winning competitions. Thomas Edison. Despite countless failures, he always had clear goals and unwavering belief in his inventions. Conclusion. By combining SMART and visualization, you gain a powerful tool for achieving your dreams. Define your goals clearly, reinforce them with emotional imagery, and watch as your life and surroundings transform. Try it now. Write down one SMART goal and spend 5 minutes visualizing it. This is your first step toward future success.